Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I have a surprise for you, but before we do any of that, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to this channel. We finally hit 100, so that's exciting to me. So thank you so much for your support, for your continuous love on the comments below, and for really being so kind. I'm so surprised by the kindness you guys have shown. So I'm so excited to get to know you more and to chat some more. And please don't be a stranger. Comment below if you're new to this channel, subscribe, hit the little bell, because I do surprise videos throughout the week. Sometimes it's not just on Thursdays I post. So make sure to hit the bell and hit the thumbs up if you like the video. If not, again, thank you for watching and thank you for even stopping by. All right, so let's jump into it. I got the box. So the Jeffree Star mystery box is here, and shocked and super excited. And then guess what? It's the mini box. I know, the mini box, just the mini box, not the premium. I couldn't get the deluxe because it sold out the minute that I was in waiting. It sold out. So that's cool, whatever. But anyway, so the funny part is that when it came in, I went outside because normally it's in the front porch waiting for me when there is something new coming in. I went outside checking for the box. I didn't see it. I freaked out because I know some people were saying that their boxes were stolen from their front porch when they ordered the Jawbreaker palette. I was like, look, I worked too hard for my money for my box to go missing. So I walked outside. I was like, where is it? I can't find it. So I literally picked up my phone and called UPS. I think it's USPS that it came in. Yeah. And I was on the line. And I'm like, you know what? I didn't check my mailbox. Doing. Yeah. So I walked to the mailbox and it was in there. I was just so shocked. First off, I thought both the premium box and the mini box was going to come together. But what I missed on the email when it said that my item was delivered was that it was just my mini box delivered. My premium was not delivered yet. So I'm like, okay, whatever. And then another thing that caught me by surprise and I was a bit shocked was the fact that it was so tiny. I know it was a mini box, but this is really mini. They weren't joking. So if you ever get told it's a mini box, don't be like me and be like, oh, it might be a little bigger than a mini. No, it is a mini box. All right, anyways, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's go ahead and open this box, and I'm excited to see what's in it. Now, I do have a surprise for you at the end of the video, so stick around if you want to know what that is. Okay, let's do the next side. Ooh, I gotta be careful, All right. Voila. All right, this one's the one that's valued for $20. So we got 3 items. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you each separately. Okay, so we got this is called Triggered. My first time opening it. I literally got the box today and I was like, let's make this video. Bam. All right. All right, so before I even review this, I actually never use Jeffree Star's lipsticks or even products. This is my first time actually using or buying his products, so I'm really excited, and I'll give you my honest opinion about anything or everything I review on this channel. If there's something I like, even if it's a popular or not popular brand, I'm still gonna give you my honest opinion. All right, so let's get into this. The packaging, really cute. Actually, this is like a white color, but it has, you can't see it on the camera unfortunately, but it has glitter all over the top area and the Jeffree Star logo. It definitely has that really nice, sleek look, and I like that. It's not overly done. It's pretty, look at that. You see the glitter? I think you can kind of see the glitter. I like these kind of wands, by the way. They're one of my favorites. The ones that are kind of at an angle up like this. Kind of goes well with the shape of your lip. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Bad attempt. this is really pretty. That's really pretty, y'all. Deep burgundy. That's beautiful. It's a matte shade. Let's go ahead and read about it. So it says, shake well before using. All right, I didn't do that, but I don't really think, let's see, let's shake it and see if that actually changes the consistency of the formula or even the actual color. Nope, still looks the same. I'm gonna go ahead and open the next item, Valor liquid lipstick. Huge with, or even picky with packaging. As long as the product is amazing, it can be the most simplistic packaging. As long as the product is good, I'm happy. If for you like packaging, these packagings are really cute. I do like them, they're very nice. This one is called Romeo. I'm biased right now just because I love pink, but this is cute, y'all. This is really nice. Top part is more of like a, it looks like more of a chrome hot pink. And the bottom is just clear. They shake it for 5 seconds for sure, like they can get the best color payoff, and then apply it. It says to apply it on bare lips. It is matte, I will say that. Actually, one of the mattest ones I have would be this one, even compared to like the Stay All Day Stilla. That one, it's matte too, but it's a lot more liquidy, I would say, when you put it on, so you have time to apply it and it won't go matte on you. With this one, as soon as you start applying it, it's going to be matte and really quickly, so it does dry really fast. 60 seconds. I would start from the outside, so line your lips with it first and then work your way in, or whatever method works for you. Now I will say that if you're wearing a matte lipstick, anytime you're wearing mattes really, do a lip mask or a lip scrub beforehand, otherwise it's going to look very clumpy, and if you have dead skin on your lips, you can tell because it is a very matte lip wear. So keep that in mind, and definitely either do a lip scrub or even a lip mask. Transfer test. Yep, nothing at all. So if you like matte lipsticks, I think this is as matte as it gets. I'm impressed. I've never had a matte that dries this fast. If you like pink, it is very lovely. All right, so this is a stunning shade. I mean, it looks amazing on camera. I don't know if it's just like the pigmentation of it, how vivid it looks on pictures. It's just a beautiful shade, and honestly looks just as nice in person. And I've had so many matte shades from different type of companies that I love. I do. I'm not gonna say, oh, I love this one more, but I will say that this one has a really nice pigmentation to it. It looks really bright. Even in person, it looks not bright, it looks very, I mean, it's amazing. I mean, it's really hard to kind of put into words. It just looks really nice compared to other mattes that I've had. This one would definitely be one of the top ones. It's crazy. I'm really surprised. And again, this is my first time trying his products, so I'm really happy how this turned out. I'm happy that it wasn't all just hype, because I think that's the biggest thing when it comes to trying new, either any products really. Like, after a while, I stopped taking recommendations because I felt like people will hype up so many products that I kind of like felt a little bit discouraged to kind of even buy something that someone would recommend, because I would buy it and I'm like, it really wasn't all that they said it was going to be. But with this, I actually, I mean, I'm shocked. I'm really shocked that it actually looks this nice. And I mean, as you guys can see, I think it looks really lovely. I mean, I don't know, you tell me what you think, because this is my opinion, but comment below, let me know what you think of these shades. Let me know if you think they look nice or is it just me, because it could just be me, you know. And it actually has, guys, I just noticed, and it actually has sparkles to it. That's crazy. Very, very, it's not completely noticeable. Like if you look at it, it's not gonna be like, my goodness, that's overpowering type of too much sparkles. It is very, very subtle. I'm just as surprised, and honestly, I'm new at doing these type of reviews on camera, so sometimes I'm really surprised myself with certain products that I try and really like actually put thought into what I'm saying and what I want you guys to know about the product, because the biggest thing for me is not recommending something that, one, is no good, you know, that I know is trash, sorry, but I really wouldn't want to recommend something that I know wouldn't be any good. And two, it's actually putting thought into what I'm saying, because at the end of the day, we all work hard for our money. I mean, I know I do. So I don't get sponsored. This is all stuff that I pay out of my own pocket. And if I don't like it, I'm not going to tell you guys otherwise. So with this, I was very pleased. Now I will say, you're going to have to like mattes. If you don't like matte lipsticks, then obviously this is a matte wear. This literally like nothing. It is a matte. It is as matte as it's gonna be. That's as much as it came off. So yeah, I love it. I really do love it. I'm surprised. I'm shook, like Jeffree would say. And I'm excited. This is what I had to tell you guys. So initially I wanted to buy the deluxe box. And I didn't buy it because as I was literally waiting to check out, it sold out. So I was like, you know what, whatever, I'll take that amount of money that I was gonna pay for the deluxe and purchase the mini for a giveaway. So I'm really excited to tell you guys that I will be having a giveaway. I don't know if all these mystery boxes have the same items in them. I'm really excited to do this giveaway, and I will put more of that detail down below. I will leave it open for a good amount of time, like that you have enough time to share with your friends as well as to enter for the giveaway. Anyways, so that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, before I forget, this also came in the box. It's a little prop thing that goes in the back of your phone. That's cool. Sorry, I got so excited about the lipsticks, I completely forgot about this, but it was sitting back here. If you could tell while I was recording, I'm like, don't forget, don't forget, don't forget. And I almost forgot. But comment below and let me know what you think of these shades. Do you like them? I mean, I do. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you, each and every one of you. Muchas gracias, obrigada. Till next time.